Sewing knickers is a really fun way to turn a relatively small amount of fabric into something beautiful and wearable in a short amount of time. Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the creator of Evie la Lùve lingerie sewing patterns. I've teamed up with my favourite sewing pattern creators, Tilly and the Buttons, and we'd love you to join us in this workshop. Learn to sew knickers. Sewing underwear can be seen as a little bit daunting as it may require using different materials than you may be used to. But once you've got your first pair under your belt, so to speak, you will be hooked. Sewing lingerie is just like sewing anything else. It comes together one step at a time and no step is too tricky for anybody who wants to learn. I'm going to take you through step by step sewing the Iris Knickers sewing pattern. It's a simple knickers pattern that has 3 waist height variations and 3 leg height variations, and you can mix and match these to create your favourite fit. You have a choice when finishing the waist and leg openings. You can use either fold over elastic or stretch lace. This class is for you if you've sewn a few garments before and would now like to start sewing your own underwear too. We'll be sewing a simple pair of jersey knickers, but consider this your stepping stone between sewing clothing and sewing lingerie. You're going to learn a whole range of skills, including selecting suitable fabrics, elastics and laces for your project, which stitches you need to use, where to use them and why, sewing a crotch, sewing seams and finishing your waist and leg openings with either elastic or lace or a combination of both. As well as sewing the Iris knickers, you'll also learn how to add your own style lines to the pattern, how to create and sew lace overlays, how to adapt the pattern for use with picot elastic instead of fold over elastic, and how to sew your lining with fully enclosed seams at the front as well as at the back. There are also 2 extra pattern pieces included exclusively in this workshop, one for a detachable bow and the other to create beautiful lace leg ruffles to add to the leg openings of your knickers. There's going to be lots of tips and tricks from me throughout the class as well. By the end of this workshop, you'll have made yourself a beautiful pair of knickers, and you'll also have the confidence to customise your knickers with ruffles, bows, style lines, lace and more, plus so many skills that will lead you on to sewing other underwear items like bralettes and garter belts. You can take this workshop from your own home and work at your own pace. You can revisit any of the classes whenever you need a refresher. So sign up today and start filling your underwear drawer with your very own collection of new made knickers.